making soda cake.
Cat butt.
You just add soda to cake mix without anything else and you bake it. This is so foamy. No! No more! It's so watery, Andrew. You're really ruining our cake. How do you feel? Oh my god,
I hit it. Did it go in there?
no, I kicked it out!
Oh
shoot! Oh shoot! Thank you.
Oh.
Andrew! Go.
Had to put it down.
I'm just kidding, you're my best friend.
Wait, I'm gonna read
Anyway! Aww! Give me it! Give me it! Give me it!
Well, by the way. You're trying to tell me that's cooked?
Yeah. Okay, so now we have a special clip. My little cousins saw our videos and they are obsessed with YouTube. And they just really wanted to be in the video and we couldn't find time to make a minute. So here's them making s'mores with me last night.
Hi. First we get a marshmallow, put it on a stick.
Okay, ready? No, we gotta share. We gotta share. Chloe, what's your technique?
What does technique mean? I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you can see one of our videos. Yeah, and we have t-shirts. Yeah, and if you want to watch them, and if you want to watch a lot of our videos, just go and press the bell button. Bye!
So thanks for watching.
I can see. Thank you for watching. Bye.
What she said. Alright, thanks for watching and high five!
My IQ is really lowering by being around you.